Hi, I'm Vikram from Mathematics City. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to solve a multi-step equation. Now what a multi-step equation essentially is just a combination of like terms that haven't been combined or simplified yet, and that's where the multi-step part of a multi-step equation comes from. Now before we do that, we have to learn what the distributive property is and how we can apply it to algebraic equations. So I've got an expression over here that says 3 times x minus 4, and x minus 4 is inside the parentheses. Now we can use the distributive property to simplify this expression. Now what the distributive property is that we can take the term that's outside of the parentheses and multiply it by each term inside the parentheses, which means in this case I would multiply 3 times x as well as 3 times negative 4. I'm multiplying the term that's outside the parentheses, which is 3, times each of the terms that's inside the parentheses, which is x and negative 4. So when we simplify it, we do 3 times x, which is simply 3x, and 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12. So you get 3x minus 12. We've simplified this expression using the distributive property. Now let's apply to an algebraic equation and solve our first multi-step equation. I've got 7 times x plus 4 in parentheses is equal to 40 minus negative 9. I encourage you to pause the video right now and try to solve it yourself. Okay, I'm assuming you've tried to solve it. Now let's check our answer. So let's simplify the left side of the equation first. 7 times x plus 4, where x plus 4 is in parentheses. So we do 7 times x and 7 times positive 4. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 4 is 28. Now let's simplify the right side of the equation. Now what the right side of the equation says is 40 minus negative 9. And 40 minus negative 9 is the same thing as 40 plus 9. Two minuses make a positive. So 40 minus negative 9 is 40 plus 9, which is 49. So we've simplified both sides of the equation. And now what we need to do is solve it as we would solve a traditional two-step equation. So we get rid of that constant of positive 28, and to do that we minus by 28. And we minus by 28 on this side as well. Okay then. So our new equation is 7x, the plus 28 minus 28 canceled out, is equal to 49 minus 28 is 21. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 7. Oh, sorry. Oh, great, my pen's glitching. I have no clue what's going on. Okay, 7x divided by 7. We divided both sides by the coefficient, which is 7. And we get our final answer of x is equal to 21 divided by 7 is 3. And that's how you solve a multi-step equation. It takes some time, it takes some effort, but once you know how to do it, what the steps are, and how to combine those like terms, and spot when to combine those like terms, solving a multi-step equation is very, very simple and easy to do. The next video we're going to be learning how to solve a multi-step inequality, which essentially is the same thing except you have to deal with the negative coefficients and everything. Thanks for watching this video. I haven't really said this much, but like and subscribe, I guess. Check back on this YouTube channel for more videos in our series. Check our website, link in the description, www.mathematicscity.weebly.com. Still have that subdomain, don't have that domain yet, but it's fine. It's actually it's the same thing whether you have the domain or the subdomain, just easier to find if you have the actual domain. But anyways, see you later. Keep calm and love math. Have an awesome day. I will see you in the next video where we're going to be covering multi-step inequalities. Bye.